Hello, Group 7. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner, either by sharing some information or giving the messages through tarot card reading. So this is the last group, the group 7 in this series, I can say. Okay, the messages from angels, spirit guides, and sisters, the divine and the universe. So you can choose any group from group number 1 to group number 7. Okay, even you can choose more than one group. It all depends upon you. Okay, whatever your intuition is guiding you out, you can choose according to your inner guidance here. Okay, choose any group according to your inner guidance. Okay, your intuitions. So I have already uploaded all the readings from the group 1 to the group 7, and this reading is for December 2021. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. So let's start the reading and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start today's reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages, guidance and the reading for group number 7 from your angels and sisters, spirit guides, divine and universe for the month of December 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages for group number 7 for the month of December 2021. Please give me the messages for group number 7. Okay. So let's see what are the messages for group number 7. There are big happy changes which is coming up for you. And there is one more important message which I received right now while doing the meditation for you before recording this reading, is that you have to surrender your fear of intimacy. Okay, you are ready to let love in. Okay, so compassionately identify and begin to release any patterns or anything, any behavior that is stopping you to that is stopping you to open your heart. Basically, you are not opening your heart, so you have to stop worrying at all. Okay, no need to worry. There is no need to worry. Just open up your heart. Okay, and surrender your fear to intimacy. So let's start your reading and let's see what is the message. And if you are connected with crystals, so you can connect, you can connect with the crystals more. Use crystals to connect more for healing, for surrendering, for opening up. So what is the message for group number 7? Please give me the messages. Please give me the messages. Okay, please give me the messages. What is the message for group number 7? So you have to get more information about a situation, about a relationship. If you are finding out here, you have to make some kind of compromise here. And what is the compromise? That you have to open up more. Okay, be open more here in front of your partner here, and remain positive and trust the divine. That divine is with you. Again, no need to worry here is the message. So do not worry at all. Trust that you are being supported by the divine, from the universe, from the light here. Okay, you are being surrounded by the divine, from the angels. There is no need to worry at all. There is a peaceful resolution which is coming up for you here. There is peaceful resolution which is coming up here for you. And there is big happy changes which are coming up. Okay, So there are big happy changes which are coming up for you. So you just need to remain positive. Okay, just remain positive. There are big happy changes which are coming up for you, and trust here. There is no need to worry at all. No need to worry at all, group 7. Okay, there is peaceful resolution which is coming up for you. Okay, so let's see more messages for you. What are the messages? What are the messages? Maybe you have the fear of intimacy. Maybe you feel like if I will open up in front of my partner, they will hurt you out or something like that. So just be more open, be more vulnerable here. There is no need to worry at all. Okay, please give me messages for group 7. The peace. Please give me the message for group 7. Belief. Please give me the message. Silence. Chance. Any other message for group 7? See the picture from a different perception here. Okay, you have to see your own self. Okay, there is self and perception message is here for you. See the past through the lens of grace. All that is occur is designed to support your spiritual evolution, group 7. Okay, just go within, and when we invest more energy in developing our spiritual lives, the outer world begins to take care of itself. Okay, so whatever has happened in the past, you have to see the picture from the lens of grace, from the lens of higher perspective, from the lens of spiritual evolution here. Okay, next message is there is peace and silence. So be still. A daily practice of silence bear gift a heightened sensitivity to beauty, deep inner peace, and profound feeling of connectedness to all living things. When we balance silence with activity, we discover true peace of mind, the source of all joy and happiness. So you have to silence your mind, yourself, your inner peace is much more required here. Then there is belief. When we marry intention with actions, miracles happen. So just marry intention with action, just believe into it. That whatever your intention is, you are going to manifest these intention into the action. Okay, so you have to make a belief on that. Then there is choice. Just take a leap of faith. Divine protection is always by your side. Okay, no need to worry at all. Okay, just take a leap of faith. Trust that divine protection is always surrounded by your side. Okay, so this is the message I'm receiving here. So let's see more messages for you from the Wisdom Oracle deck. Please give me the messages for group number 7. What is the message you want me to deliver for group number 7? Deep knowing, higher power, new life. Wow. There is someone around your life, in your life here, who is a loyal heart. Okay, you both are loyal to each other. Okay, you both love each other, and you both are loyal to each other, and you both complete each other. This is someone who is your soulmate, a divine counterpart for you, a twin flame here. You both complete here. Okay, and in your deep knowing, you already have all the knowledge, information which is being stored inside of you, because your third eye is activated. You are connected to the higher power, so you must be receiving the guidance, the intuition, the knowledge. Okay, all things, the angel number guidance, you are receiving it already. Okay, right now you have to breathe, relax. Okay, be silent, have peace, spend some time in nature, breathe here, because there is a divine timing which is at play. Tick tock, tick tock. So this is the divine timing which is at play. Things will happen according to the divine plan. Okay, know that you are very blessed, and there is a new life which is coming up for you. Okay, so you are blessed, group 7, and there is a new life which is coming up for you. Just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, so now let's see more messages here from the whispers of Ganesha. Please, Ganesha, give me one message for group number 7. Please give me one message. Please give me one message. Please give me one message. Divine support. How beautiful it is. Again and again the message is that you are not alone. No need to worry at all. You are blessed. You are connected to the higher power. You have the divine support. Okay, you have the divine support here. Okay, group 7, you are protected. You are blessed here because you are connected to the divine. So this is very powerful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the Lovers Oracle. Please give me one message for the group 7. Please give me one message for group 7. What is the message you want me to deliver for group 7? Please give me the message for group 7. Too many messages. Please give me one message. No. Please give me one message for group number 7. Okay, you have 2 messages definitely. Okay, I'm going to take it. Okay. So the first message for you is acceptance is the key to inner peace. Okay, at times we must accept things as they are. There is no point trying to change that is beyond our control. So just acceptance is the key to get the inner peace. Okay, sometimes what happens is we do not know why things happen in a certain way, but later on we get to know that why things happen in a certain way. Okay, so just accept the things as they are, because you cannot change the situation and it is beyond your control. You have the divine support and everything is happening according to the divine plan. 1221 is a recording reading time. If you could anything, what it would be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind, for the heart is the gateway to the soul. Okay, and whatever you can do is, that's the answer you have, and the answer is in your heart. So listen to the heart desires. What is your answer? What is your soul is answering you, not your mind. Okay, because heart is the gateway of the soul. So the answer is there inside your soul, inside your heart, to listen to the answer. Okay, talk to your own heart. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the life purpose. What is the life purpose for group number 7? Please give me one life purpose for group number 7. Light and love. Your purpose is to bring divine healing light and love to the world. Okay, so that's your life purpose here, that your purpose is to bring the divine healing light and love to the world. Bring the divine healing love and light to the world. That's your life purpose, and lot of light purple and pink energy is here. Okay, let's see what is the thing you need to surrender. Please give me what is the thing group 7 needs to surrender. One message. Surrender defensiveness. Okay, defensiveness is a sign of weakness. To communicate in a more empowered way, stay centered and hear someone out, then offer a clear non-defensive response. So surrender defensiveness here. Maybe you are defending yourself, and when we in what case we defend ourselves, we protect ourselves when we think that we are going to get hurt. Okay, in the beginning I told you that you are not opening up yourself in front of your partner because you think that you are going to get hurt. 1441 is a recording reading time, so you have to be more open up. Surrender defensiveness here. Okay, so that you can be more open up here. So the animal spirit is brown bear spirit. Take time out, spend some time in nature, take a holiday, plan a holiday if you can. Okay, so that's the message I am having. And there is owl spirit also. You see clearly now, you know the real truth. Okay, use your intuition, you have all the answers within your soul. So listen to your soul here. What is your soul trying to tell you? Okay, so let's see more messages. Let me make some space. Okay, let's see what are the tarot messages for group number 7. Please give me the messages for group number 7. So in the past, maybe you were having a relationship or someone broke your trust. There was betrayals, mind games, deception, lying, cheating, manipulation. Because of that, you are not ready to open up now. You are thinking that now this person is going to do the same thing. My trust will be broken here. That's why you're feeling restricted, trapped here, because you are thinking a lot. But do not worry at all. There is communication which is here. 8 of Wands is here. Then there is 3 of Pentacles. What is the message for group number 7? You cannot sleep at night here, and you are in your element of Queen of Swords. Okay, Queen of Swords is someone who is not emotionally available. Okay, definitely your guards are up. Your self-defensive mode is up here. 7 of Wands is here. Your self-defensive mode is on. Right now you cannot sleep at night. You're spending sleepless nights and you're ready to cut this person. Maybe you are dealing with the King of Pentacles. Your partner can be a businessman or businesswoman, anyone. Okay, maybe they are more focused on their career, or they are financially independent or financially stable person. Okay, so you are ready to cut this person. You are asking the question from this person's maybe a lot, and you're saying that I want answers. Okay, your defensive mode is on, and even you are also financially stable here. The Queen of Pentacles is here, and there is Emperor here. You want the truth. You are taking the control of your life. Being an emperor, you know how to live your life, because you are living your own life and you want truth. And you are taking this sword to cut your partner if they are trying to manipulate you, if they are trying to cheat you, basically. If they are, right now you have to keep temperance, the patience. Okay, keep the patience, keep the temperance here. Okay, this is someone who is coming in your life to give you a stable, committed offer. And this is the Emperor and the Empress. 6 of Cups is a soulmate card. Okay, this is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. So this is someone from your past here. 6 of Cups. This is not a new energy. This is someone from your past which is coming back here, and they're going to give you a committed offer. Ace of Pentacles is here. This is something which you can touch. Okay, so they're going to give you some solid, stable offer. Okay, and they are the Empress here. So I am having the Emperor and the Empress here. Okay, you both belong to one another. You are the divine counterparts. You are made for one another here. Okay, and here I'm having King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. Maybe you both are financially independent, stable. You both are doing your own work here. Okay, you know how to manage finances, but because of some conflicts, drama, fighting, competition, 5 of Wands, you both are fighting here with one another. Okay, so let me give you some messages from this deck, and then I'm closing out your reading. Please give me messages for group number 7. Please give me the messages. You are finding out the truth. Okay, but relax here, have patience. You will get the truth at the divine timing. Okay, you will get the truth, and the divine timing is coming. You will get the truth here. The Swords is here. This person loves you. You both love each other. This is 2 of Cups energy here. Okay, You both have spent some memories together because you both love each other. Okay, so you both have memories here with each other. And be like, balloons are here, and balloons is all about happiness, feeling content. Okay, so that's what I'm having here for group 7. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and happy energies and healing energies to group 7. Take care of yourself and see you soon.